Hi, my name is Margaret and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please press the subscription button and also the notification button, and also like this video. Please help this channel to grow. If you like it, this video is about making money online. It's about tools and tricks that I'm going to give you how to make money and how to build wealth. I'm busy in a transitional period. I'm transitioning from my permanent job into an online business, and it will take some time to build this business. But every time when I come across some tools, I'm wanting to share with you, and this is exactly what I'm going to do today. So today's video is about 5 paid traffic sources that you can promote, that you can use to promote your website. I'm having my website. It is Margie's Money Basket. It is a website where I am sharing some of the tools that I'm coming across and use in order to assist me in my business. I think the first top, it is the Google AdWords. So when you are having a website, and then you must apply for Google in order to promote your business, to run some ads that you are paying for. I want to pay for my website. If I have something that I want to make a video, so when you are clicking on somebody else's website, then my website and my business will popping up on those different websites. If you are clicking on that ad and you want to see what my business, I'm just making an example of my business. This was my channel. If you want to click, and every time when you click, then I pay per click. You click on it and you open up the app and see what is going on, and then I will pay per click. And then after 30 days, then Google will send me an account and say, okay, I've run the ads, so you've run the ads so many days, and so many people have clicked on the ads and opened up the ads, and this is the amount that you must pay for the money. So Google is not worried that you buy a product, that you view a product, or that you do. It's not their business. Their business is to run the ads on different websites on Google, and I was running the ads for the amount of days. You have to pay for the clicks that somebody is clicking, and that is very expensive, but it's very effective. So if you have a big business, then you can try Google or AdWords out. But it's for people who started with the business, people who have existing businesses, this is good. But if you're starting with your business, it's a little more pricey, but I'm giving it out to you. Maybe you can do that. Your second tip is your Facebook ads. I've run Facebook ads. It's why I can. In South Africa, in my country, they are asking 250 rand for 5 days that they can run the ads. So if I want 30 days to run the ads, it is going to be 1,500 rand per month. I think it is like it's not even $10, not even $2 or $5. I think it's $5 or $6 in American dollars to run the ads for 30 days. So if you want more days for Facebook is not so expensive to run the ads. Then you are there. Then you want them maybe to boost a certain post, or you want to market your website. So when people are clicking on it, they will the ad will take you straight to the Facebook. And if you have products that you are selling there, then you can sell the products, because now they're gonna just if you run your ads for a few days. There are companies also that you have to pay just a certain amount, and they will run the ads for you via Facebook. You can just do it by yourself, because I did contact some companies who are running ads, and then I discovered it's Facebook ads. And I said, no, let me just do it myself on Facebook. So that is the second tip how you can run paid ads. In order for you to grow your business, you need to spend some money to grow your business. Some people, the whole YouTube is full of, you must have for free traffic, free that and free that. It's good, but you must have common sense. If you want to do everything for free, then it will take much longer. Maybe you are much luckier than me. You want to. There's sometimes there are some things that I do for free and some things that you have to pay for. In order to grow this business, that you need to have at least something to do to pay for something that you want. Because at the end of the day, you want to make some money. Then your third way, this is the way that I use, I said was I use the Facebook ads. And this is the third one that I use to get traffic to my website. I use a website called Simple Traffic. They have a package that they give you, their Simple Traffic. I will leave it in the description box. They give simple packages that they are giving there, and then they send traffic to your website. So I'm taking the cheapest one. It is also $5, less than $5 or $2 per month. I started with the lowest one with 500 people per month. Per day, per day, you can upscale to like 20,000 per month. But this is my first 30 days. I'm just trying it out. I'm seeing how it's gonna work and how it's gonna boost my traffic. So I will still bring you another video, the tool that I use, how to convert them into sales. This is just the one to give you the paid traffic. There's a lot of things that you must learn here in this business that some people don't tell you. They just tell you, I've made this amount of money, I've made this amount of money. And then they show you their screens and the money. They don't tell you how they get there. They say, go to this website, you make this money there. There's a lot of things, hidden things that you still have to know. But in this channel, I will tell you that. So that you know that you don't be shocked, and then you can get discouraged. Oh, I don't want to build this business, because building this business takes a lot of time, and it takes some effort, and it takes some money. If people are telling you they're getting a passive income, then you must know behind the passive income there was some hard work to get that income. Then your fourth one that I didn't try out, but I'm looking into that. It is your Twitter ads. Twitter is very popular. Twitter and Facebook is very popular. So those two things you can try that. But Twitter is also expensive for me. Maybe some people can do that. And then your fifth and last one, I will only give you 5 here. It is your YouTube ads. So if you have an online course, or if you have a new business, you see if you're on YouTube, you're gonna watch this channel. There's always ads popping up. On this channel, there's no ads popping up, because it's only gonna pop up when I'm getting monetized. I'm not being monetized yet for the channel. So if I wanna run an ad now, ads on YouTube now, I said YouTube, I want to run an ad just to boost my channel. Then it will be popping up on other people's channels. So that's also a good idea that I wanted to try out, just to promote my channel. But it's also pricey. But it's something that I'm trying these methods out, because I'm serious about building this business and growing this business. I wanted to leave this job, but I'm not gonna be irresponsible. I'm not irresponsible. I'm not gonna be just abruptly just leave this job and just go to another job, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm gonna be so I'm checking everything out. Every time when I stumble across a tool or a trick or something, how to start you with this business, or on your way to this business, and I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna tell you, because you are the viewers and you need to know. Some people just come here, tell you a lot of things. They don't tell you the behind the scenes thing that you need to know. I also, in my next video, they will bring out out is to give you the tools that you must use. Even to make this YouTube video, take some tools. I will tell you that. So guys, if you like this video, please press the subscription button and also the like button. And please check out the notification button, because I will give some links for you in the notification button. Some of the links are affiliate links. Please click on it. Please assist me on this channel. Bye.